Hello everyone. Today in this video we'll be discussing some of the solutions, that is solutions of question number 1 to question number 20 that I've given you to do last class. So let us move on. So the first question says we have to write the Roman numerals for the Hindu Arabic numerals given. These are the Hindu Arabic and these are the Roman numerals. So for 18, we know what does, first of all let me explain what does X mean. X means 10 and this is 8. So 10 plus 8, it will be 18. Similarly 26, 33. Now this question 44. Now it is written XL and this is 4. So I have written XL. L stands for 50. And if the X is before L, then it means 50 minus 10. So 50 minus 10 is what? 40 and this is 4. So it is 44. And if the X stands after L, then it is 50 plus 10. Similarly, in this also, C stands for 100. So if X stands before C, then it is 100 minus 90. If it is before, then it is minus, and if it is after, then it is plus. Similarly, in the question number 2, we have to convert the Roman numerals to Hindu Arabic numerals. Now question number 3. Here we have to write the numbers that are being given, we have to write in words. So it is very simple. This one is given in the Indian form, that is, you can see the comma, you can understand. For understanding this, I'll show you a slide here. So this is a chart. You can see this chart. It starts with ones, tens, hundreds. At the above one is the Indian system of numeration and the below one is the international system. So up till 10,000 both the systems are same. But after that we say it is lakhs. One more zero, then it is 10 lakhs. One more zero, it is crore. Then one more zero, it is 10 crore. But here in international system we don't say lakhs, we say 100,000. For 10 lakhs we say 1 million, and crore means 10 million and 10 crore means 100 million. This is one example that is being given. Similarly, if we go to here, in this question you can see the comma is not in this question. Okay, let us see this question. Yes, question number G. Here the comma is after 3 places. So this is definitely not in the Indian system of numeration. This is in the international system of numeration. So by looking at this, so after 3 places, it is million. You can see after 3 places, then if you go to the question, this is the question. So after this is the ones, tens, hundreds, then it comes 1,000, 10,000, and then this is 100,000 in international system, and then comes million. So we have written 9,536,087. I hope you all understood this. Now moving on, this is written in words. In the question number 4 is just the opposite. It is written in words. You have to write in numerals. Similarly, same thing, like 1,354,015. So 1,354,000, since it is in international system, and then 15. Now number 5, question number 5 has asked, how many thousands make a lakh? How many thousands make a lakh? Going back to the slide. How many thousands make a lakh? 100,000. You can see, easily compare it. You can do 100,000 makes a lakh. The next question, how many lakhs makes a million? So the answer is 10 lakhs makes a million. Simple. That's what I've written. Now next question, question number 6. The digit is given, you write the place value. It is very simple. It is in Indian form, so no need to worry about. There is nothing in the international form. It is in the Indian form. So it's very simple. It is ones, so multiply with 1. It is tens, multiply with 10. 100, multiply with 100. It is the thousands place, so multiply with 1000. Is the 10,000s place, multiply with 10,000. Similarly in the other questions as well. Simple. Now number 7. It is asked that the place value of 9. What is place value and what is face value? Place value means here what you have to do is in which position it is. It is in the thousands place. So it will be 9 into 1000. It will be 9000. And face value means the number itself. Don't get confused. Face value means the number itself. If you are asked face value of 9, then the number will be 9 itself. Any other number also, say the place value of 3, the number will be 3 itself. But if you say place value, then the place value of 3 will be here. It is in lakhs. So 3 into 1 lakh, 3 lakh. And face value will be 3 itself. Understood? Similarly, in this question number B also, same thing. Place value of 1. Where is the place value of 1? It is in 10 lakhs. So multiply with 10 lakhs. And again, place value of 6 it is asked. Not face value now. It is same thing again. Place value. 6 is in 10,000. So multiply with 10,000. And then we have to find out the... Where did it go? Okay. And then we have to find out the difference. So just this minus this. Simple. Similarly, question number C is also same. Find out the place value of 7. There are 2 7s here. So 1 7 is in the 10 lakh place and the other 7 is in the 100 place. Then you find out the difference. That's it. Now question number 8. One of the students have asked about this question. So it is just expanding. It's the same thing. Just multiply with the place values. And this is called the expansion. Same. And here it is in the short form. Question number 9, you have to write in the short form. Just the opposite of this. It is in the expanded form. You have to write in the short form. Simple. And this is much more simpler. Question number 10, you have to find out which number is greater. I don't need to explain this much because you all know which is greater and which is less than that. Now here question number 11, the smallest number, there are some numbers given. Here these are the digits, not the numbers actually. These are the digits 5, 9, 3, 1 and 0. So using these digits you have to find the smallest number. So this is the smallest number by using the different digits, and this is the greatest number using these all digits. Now question number 12, you have to find out a 4-digit number. It is same like, but here the 5 should repeat twice. So you can see smallest number where 5 is repeating twice. Here once it is repeating 5, again another 5 here. Similarly, you have to find the greatest number where 6 is repeating twice. Simple. Number 13 is simple. You have to just add these numbers. B also same. C, D. Now number 14, what is given is cost of refrigerator is given. And cost of motorcycle is not given directly. It is said that it is this much rupees, 29,657 rupees more than that of refrigerator. So what you have to do is that you have to just add this value to the price of the or the cost of the refrigerator. Then you will get the cost of the motorcycle. Then it is simple. Just add the cost of the refrigerator and the motorcycle. You will get the total cost. Now question number 15. This many number of valid votes means this many number of votes were valid and these were invalid. Invalid means it may get cancelled, or maybe they have not done it properly. They have not casted their vote properly. So this many got rejected. You can say invalid means rejected. And this many were taken as correct. There was no mistake in that. So, and this many people, 83,000 this much, didn't even go to vote. So we have to find how many voters were there or how many votes were registered. Means how many voters we are asking. So in total, even though their votes are rejected, still their vote will be counted. So you have to find here the total number of votes. So just you have to add these and this. Then you'll get the total number of votes. Or you can even say the total number of voters. So this many were the total number of voters. The question number 16 is simple. It is just a simple subtraction. What to do? Question number 17. Sum of two numbers is given. One number is given. You have to find the other number. It is very simple. You have to just minus this number from this. So we get the other number. Now question number 18. The difference between two numbers is given. Difference means the subtraction between two numbers is this. The larger number is this. Find the smaller number. Same thing. You have to minus this amount from this. So we get the other number, smaller number. Question number 19 is very simple. How we did it here? Directly. It is very simple. If it is 10, just add 1 0 here. 100, 2 zeros, 1000, 3 zeros. And here what you have to do is 207 into 3 you do. You get one answer. Very easy. 621. And just add these 2 zeros here. Here also 725 into 6 you do. And just add 3 zeros. Then 585 into 9 you do. And just add 3 zeros. Then this multiplication is very simple. You all know that. Nothing to explain here. So I hope you all have understood it very well. Please practice at home. The next 20 questions from question number 21 to question number 40. And I request the students to do it by yourself without taking any help from anyone, because these are very simple things. You all have learned all these things in the earlier classes. These are basic things. So that's the explanation for all the questions. Hope you all have understood. And don't worry, I would keep all these notes at the end of the chapter. So for now, you just practice in a copy, maintain the copy properly, and try to do the next 20 questions from question number 21 to 40. So I hope you have a good understanding after doing all these questions, so that we can improve your mathematical skills. So that's it. Thank you and have a nice day.